friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl and today I have something a little different for you. The holidays are coming and what does that mean? Lots of entertaining and having people over and lots of celebrations. So in today's video, we are going to do a product review. So a lot of you may know, or maybe you don't, but in my theater room or my loft area, which I call my theater room, I have like a little snack station. And in the snack station, I have a microwave, a popcorn maker, and a beverage center. Well, my beverage center went out, and when Newair, who is the sponsor of today's video, reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review their new 24 bottle wine chiller, I was like, certainly. And you're just in time because I need a new wine chiller. So in today's video, we are going to review their new wine chiller. And I'm sure it will look perfect in the space and it will be perfect for your holiday gatherings and decoratings. So I will leave a link for Newair as well as the link for this product down below, as well as a discount code so you can go check out everything they have to offer and pick up one for yourself for the holidays. You won't be disappointed. So let's go ahead and take a look or a closer look at the product. All right, so we're gonna cut the straps here and see what we have. And I'm hoping I'll be able to get this out of the box. Because my boyfriend is not here right now. So let me see if I can get this out. And this is how the wine chiller is looking. As you can see, it does have mirrored glass. And this is how it looks inside. Lots of ample room. So you can put your wine bottles up here. But also you could add some canned drinks and some juices down here at the bottom. Or maybe you drink beer. You could also put beer bottles in here. Just a perfect little wine chiller for the holidays, and I absolutely love it. It comes with this instruction manual that tells you everything you need to know about your new wine cooler. The only perk, or the only, not perk, but the only thing I would say I am not too fond of is that it is hinged on the right and opens to the right. I'm used to things opening to the left. But other than that, I think it's really neat. All right, guys, so we do have the wine chiller in its little spot here in my loft area. This is our theater room as well. And this is perfect. All right, guys, so this is how the wine chiller is looking. I love the blue ambient light. I don't have any wine right now, so I just have it in our drinks that we like to have, and it's just sparkling water. So you can not only use it as a wine cooler, but you can also use it for your other beverages. And as you can see, we have some other waters down here. And yeah, I really love this little chiller. It's perfect for our theater room. Now to look at the controls, and I'm sorry for the glare, you do have a lockout control here. So if you press and hold it, it will lock out your controls. It'll beep, and you press and hold it again to unlock it. And then you can adjust your temperature up down, and it'll flash, and then it will start to cool to that desired temperature. So I absolutely love this little beverage. I'm going to call it a beverage wine chiller, so you can use it for more than just wines. So I want to thank Newair for sponsoring today's video. Absolutely love it. I will leave a link for the product in the description box down below, as well as a link to the Newair website. You can find several options, and I'm sure you will find one that fits your needs and your lifestyle. I can already feel it cooling, and it hasn't been plugged in that long at all. So a great little wine chiller, cooler. And again, Newair, thank you for sponsoring today's video.